Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Strings. I'm Henriette and today we are thinking about the dominant seventh in the key of E flat as it is set for the grade 6 violin syllabus by the ABRSM. I find in my own students that people leave this till last quite easily because Dom and Dim sevenths, they're not the most favourite ones, and that's especially why I have made this video to hopefully help you along getting this right and maybe, just maybe even enjoy it a little bit as well. We'll break it down into its separate parts, and by the end of this video I hope you feel a lot more confident. I'll leave you some time now to tune up your violin and to get it and to tune it up, and I'll be with you in a second. So we're going to play the dominant seventh in the key of E flat, and it starts on a B flat. It starts on the dominant, and the dominant is the fifth note, in this case in the key of E flat, which is a B flat. If you find that difficult to remember, some people say to me, I can't remember what note it starts on. Imagine this is an E, this is the key of E flat. So imagine you have an E flat here, first finger on the D string, hop across the string up. That will bring you to B flat, and that is the starting note of this scale. Now you then have to know that it starts on the lower B flat, but if you want to work out which note it starts on, that's how you can do it. So let's play this slowly with separate bows, and I encourage you to play with long bows. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we do that again? Now, perhaps before we do that again, you need to realise that this is really what you're being tested on, is to see if you can play high fingers followed by low fingers. And what I mean by that is, if you have a look at bar 2, the third finger on the A string, which is a D, is of course a normal third finger, shall we say, and then on the E string the third finger becomes an A flat. So that third finger is going to cross the strings diagonally like that. And that is really what you are being tested on. Can you play in tune while you cross the strings diagonally with your fingers? So let's focus on that. Let's see how we can do that. Now, of course, the first bar when it occurs is this D opposite A flat, but then you don't need to worry about it because it's just an open string versus a fourth finger, so there's nothing to cross diagonally there. But in bar 2 and in bar 3 you want to really watch out for those third fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's practice bar 2 and 3, and we'll just go over those two so that we have a little bit more practice playing from A flat to B flat. So we're starting at the beginning of bar 2 now on the B flat. 3, 4. And this time we'll do the same thing again. But now we're going to, while we get to the top, we're going to repeat 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Do that 3 times so that we get used to using the A flats to the B flats, third to fourth finger. So we're starting in bar 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. time we're doing it at the same time, in the same way once again. And this time I really want you to aim to slap that fourth finger on really hard and make sure it falls from the base knuckle here. So some people just slide their finger there, but that's not what you want to do. You want to lift it up really high and slap it on like that. Can you see that? Practice that just without playing for a moment. Okay, here we go. We're starting in bar 2 again. And hopefully you'll find that your B flat sounds much clearer now that you're slapping your finger on. So let's play the whole thing this time. So we're starting in bar 1 and should have become a lot clearer now already, and well done for sticking with me for this time. We're going to play it one more time. This time we're going to play it 4-note slurred, because in your exam you'll have to play it either separate bows or slurred, and the examiner will tell you, but you need to know them both off by heart. So here we go, 4-note slurred. We'll go a little bit faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you play it 4-note slurred, you will make sure that you play whole bows, and that after 2 notes you're in the middle of the bow. So let's play it again. Let's see if you can share your bow evenly across these 4 notes, so that you use all of it, even this end of the bow and the very tip as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now in your exam you'll want to perform this. So even your scales and arpeggios, I'm always encouraging my students to perform those, not just playing them as you practice them, but in an exam you want to convince the examiner that you can play them really, really confidently. So let's play a crescendo to the top, and then once you've reached the top and you play the last 2 bars, you just stay as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope that's been helpful. Do let me know your thoughts. You can write your comments in the box below. Like this video and share it with your friends if you have enjoyed it, and do subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you soon.